Hey everyone, welcome to SferaAI tutorial. Today we're diving into something really important for your business, your Facebook business profile. So, why is this so crucial? Well, having a Facebook business profile offers three key benefits for your business. First, it gives you access to Facebook page insights, which help you understand how your page is performing, and it allows you to run targeted ads to reach the right audience. Second, you can receive customer reviews and communicate with them directly through Messenger, making it easier to build relationship and provide customer service. And the last one, it centralizes everything through Meta Business Manager, where you can manage your page, ads, and even Instagram account if you have one. That's why setting up Facebook business profile can really boost your business. Now, let's dive into how you can set it up step by step for your business. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look at the menu on the left side. Click on Pages, then click the button that says Create New Page. This will start the process of setting up your business page. Now you need to add some basic information about your business. Start by entering your page name. This should be the name of your business so people can easily find you. Next, choose a category that best describes what your business does. Then, write a short description about your business. This helps people understand what your business is about. Once you fill in all these details, click Create Page. After creating your page, you'll need to provide contact information. This includes your business website, phone number, and email address. This information is important because it helps customers reach you easily. If your business has a physical location, you should add the address. This makes it easy for customers to find you. You should also add your business hours so people know when you are opened. After entering this information, click Next. Now it's time to make your page look good. Start by adding a profile picture, and this should ideally be your business logo so it's easily recognizable. Then, add a cover photo. This can be a picture that shows your business, like your storefront or one of your products. These images help make your page look professional and attractive. But for now, I just use any random pictures that I have. Click Next when you're done. To make it easier for a customer to contact you, you can connect your Facebook to WhatsApp. Enter the phone number that you use for WhatsApp and follow the steps to verify it. This way, customers can send you a message directly through WhatsApp. Finally, you will see an option to stay informed about your page. You can tick the checkbox if you want to receive marketing and promotional emails from Meta. Once you made your choice, click Done. Congratulations, your Facebook business page is now ready. You can start sharing updates, photos, and posts to engage with your customers. Having a Facebook business page is a great way to connect with your audience and grow your business. Thanks for watching, and get started to SferaAI to boost your sales.